Hello, my name is Sharon Fitzpatrick and welcome to my YouTube channel Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pizza with a phyllo pastry base. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to hear your comments on what you like on the top of your pizza, because everyone loves their own type of topping and I really would love to hear your comments. And share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, do subscribe so you can see more videos. Okay, and here we have the pizza dished up with a nice bit of rocket to go with it. I hope you enjoy making yours. Make sure you put a tea towel underneath to stop your chopping board from moving. So we're going to chop some tomatoes up. Now you can use tinned tomatoes if you want, or you can use fresh tomatoes. Now some people aren't bothered about the little green bits in their tomatoes, but I like to take them out. It's personal preference. One rolled away. No. Tried hiding from me there. I know, much better. Right, we want to cut off a handful of basil. You can use dry basil if you prefer. And you just want to pull off the leaves. You don't really want the stems because they can be a bit hard. I love the smell of basil. So nice to cook with. And your pizza is going to smell delicious anyway, but just cooking with the basil is lovely. It just has a nicer flavour, I think, than the dried. And herbs are nice and easy to grow in the garden. Okay, to make our tomato sauce to put on top of our pizza base, we just add some onions, or half an onion, into 10 grams of melted butter. We want nice finely chopped onions for this. Then we'll add some tomato puree. We'll add some fresh tomatoes, some salt, some pepper, paprika, oregano, and a small amount of cayenne pepper if you want a little bit of a spice to it. Of water. And you want to put the lid on this and just let it cook on a low heat. And then after about 5 minutes of cooking, just mash it with a potato masher. And then just slowly let that cook while you cook your chicken or whatever topping it is you're going to do. I'd love to hear in the comments what you'd like to put on your pizza. Everyone's got their favourites. I personally love cooking with chicken. Some people love putting olives, some people love putting mushrooms. Just let me know what you like to cook with. Pineapple is another good topping for a pizza. Chorizo, salami. I'm sure there's some strange combinations out there, so I'd love to hear from you. And so you want nice small pieces. A bit like that kind of size. Okay, you add this into a wok is your best thing to be doing. If you don't have a wok, you can use a frying pan. And make sure that you wash your hands before you handle the chicken and after you handle the chicken. You can add a few spices into your chicken if you want. I've got extra spicy Cajun seasoning. If you haven't got the Cajun, you could use Chinese 5 spices. But there's loads of nice spices that you can get to put on your chicken. Just look for the different chicken seasoning that you can add and just experiment with it. Another thing that would be nice to add into the chicken would be some fresh coriander. Unfortunately, I haven't got any for today, but that is a nice one to add to it. So you want to cook this chicken for about 10 or 15 minutes. Just keep stirring it occasionally. Okay, you want to put about 2 or 3 layers of the phyllo pastry. Onto a baking tin. Then we want to put our homemade tomato sauce onto it and spread it out. Now you can liquidize it if you wanted to make it nice and smooth. I haven't done for this particular recipe. I'm going to sprinkle the basil on. You can actually add it to the sauce if you wanted to while you were making it, but I'm just sprinkling it on the top. Okay, so then you want to put on your chicken or whatever it is that you're going to be putting on yours. Smells delicious. I just tasted one of the chickens and they are just delicious. I think chicken on a pizza goes really nice. And you can put whatever cheese it is that you'd like on yours, but I just like good old-fashioned cheddar cheese. And I just sprinkle that over the top of the chicken. If you wanted to put onion on this, you could put onion. And that's it, all ready to put in the oven. Okay, and here we have the pizza dished up with a nice bit of rocket to go with it. I hope you enjoy making yours. Thank you for watching the video today on how to make a pizza using a phyllo pastry base. Hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to doing more videos for you.